coming into position. Race number 3 on the card. The Wingers holding cool. Dino ahead of Serious Type in the green light through. Race number 3 on the card. Set and ready. Racing, Dino began midfield and Roberts Angel pinged a lead on settling, being tackled by Diane's Roses, who went up and took the lead. Dino improving. Then I'm Dynamic, a gap to Laurie Sprite, Fiery Peck, Hey Henry, then Serious Type turning. It's all Diane's Roses. Diane's Roses came away, won it easily over Dino. Third in Roberts Angel. Not sure fourth. Laurie's Sprite prominent. Further back, I'm Dynamic, Fiery Beck, then Hey Henry. And Serious Type, one of the tail enders. Diane's Roses has got the money at a 16th run tonight. She's broken the duck. 5 yellow, Diane's Roses first. 1 the red, Dino's second. 4 blue, Roberts Angel third, and officially fourth in going to 6. I'm Dynamic. 5, 1, 4 and 6. 5:28 the early section, home at 11:04. 16:32 the overall time. Diane's Roses is a